Alright guys, I got everything tight. Baffle plate.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. As y'all seen in the thumbnail, we did get the oil pan. So hopefully everything settles down and go in place where it needs to go. We're gonna check this out real quick. I did order Dirty Dingo. That's the same place I got the golly, straighten up. That's the same place I got LS swap adapter plates. So yeah, and like they said, I mean it comes with everything, guys. Y'all might have already seen a video like this because I already seen a couple, but I did, and it's windy. I did get the holley though. Everybody said, "Oh, just get the cheap one. It's the same thing and all that stuff," but I went with the holley low sump. So hopefully this give me enough room. I'm not gonna bore you guys with me taking this one off, putting it on and all that good stuff, but I'll turn y'all back on once I get this installed. And it does have the drains for the turbos, so we might do something with that for sure. And I think it's got the plate for the block off for the oil cooler also. But yeah, that's a pretty big difference. I only got one hand. Let me see if I can see if I can hold it up for y'all. Let me see. Yeah, it's a pretty good difference. Yeah. We should be alright. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification bell. That way you can stay in tune to all the good stuff we got going on the channel. We'll see y'all in a minute. Peace. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, pan is off. I'm getting ready to throw the new one on there. I'm gonna clean up the edges and stuff, make sure everything looks nice. Slap that boy on there. We're gonna check for clearance. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure this thing gonna go this time. Alright man, I appreciate y'all. We'll see y'all in a minute. Well, the only downfall on the holley kit, it didn't come with the gasket. Now I don't know if that's just with the company or is that with holley. I'm not sure, you know what I'm saying? Y'all drop down in the comments, let me know. So I'm getting ready to run over to the auto parts store, grab a gasket, and I don't know, we might finish this up in the morning. I've been working all day, but we'll see here in a minute. Well, I found out why they don't give you the gasket. Alright guys, we got what we needed. Ooh, sitting on them big boys. Let's pull out. I think I'm Man, you know what? I think I'm gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna chill today. I don't know, man. You know, when you just get in that little mood, you like, man, you know what? I just want to chill. So, yeah, I'm gonna knock out what I can, guys. And y'all already know. I'm gonna keep y'all in tune, though. You know, y'all gonna know what's going on. But I'm gonna get this pan on there. And they said you gotta cut the windage tray. So I'm gonna cut that. Put the holley pan on, low sump, and then put the well, of course, the gasket first. I already cleaned up the edges and everything, so yep, we'll get right to it. I might do a little B-roll or something as we're going out. Alright guys, I got everything tight. Baffle plate, the windows tray is cut. We're gonna throw 4 bolts in it, man, and keep the weather out. I'll probably drop it in the morning. I marked the dipstick too, just in case, man, because I don't know. I just want to make sure I'm full. But I tightened everything up, so should be good. Come on now. Really? What y'all do to the dog?
She wanna come inside.
Ooh, I like that new shine. Y'all do too. Yeah, y'all like it. I like it. Yeah, you like that.
That big old head.
Shut up. Oh yeah, by the way, this ain't safe. What up? Alright guys, that's the holus in place, man. We're gonna see if we got enough clearance now. Probably not. I think I'm gonna have to make some more adjustments. But she gonna go. She going in there for sure. Alright, appreciate y'all watching. See y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.